Who am I? I'm a worm, not a man. Despised by my own people and hated by all. That's who I am.
Yeah, I think it's about that time that we take them to that place where we came from, you know? The place where music is the voice.
That's true, man. I think it's about that time too, you know what I'm saying? It's like, they ready. Been through it, they ready.
A place that's dwelling where existence depends upon expression. The atmosphere where artistry and viewpoints collide, where beats and eardrums collaborate, then demonstrate a harmonic vocal blend with no color guide. If there's a skirmish, it's handled in the mental, not physically strategic target, then fire with linguistic weaponry. The place to be, the area where freestyle dominates, which creates a massive style change that'll rearrange your mind state. Where breakdowns don't ever need to be fixed, and stolen pieces thrown together does not mean you in the mix. You wonder how it is to be simultaneously interacting with the boom bap and a rap constantly. Well, I personally had no choice but to come out fat, cause every time I turn around I collect a pound, cause in this place they have a true understanding of hip-hop, so everyone is able to pick up on what I drop.
Talking about a place called hip-hop. Now what about that place called hip-hop? I never seen you in that place called hip-hop, so the lies that you speak need to stop. Talking about a place called hip-hop. Now what about that place called hip-hop? I never seen you in that place called hip-hop, so the lies that you speak need to stop.
Now I've been down since leather straps and spikes upon the necks. When bikes was BMX, we trekked to dance the breaks. My heart would beat a mile a minute when Freakazoid was played. You focused on the circle cause I was in it. The street animal was mechanical with the popping. A deacon of tweaking body, my hymnal was ain't no stopping. So how you wants to play it? Let's swing it to a battle lope. The youngins from Westco would say let's bring it to Shadow Oak. Boombox in hand, I mean shoulder though it was aching. Rolling like a boulder to see whose name would be taken. Never had to rename no crew for something like that. My boys had every type of windmill down pat. Hey, and I could dish a flare that would force you to share a curse. But around that time I decided to kick a verse. See, when breaking died down and I became less coordinated, I would drown inside a beatbox for rhymes to be formulated. And little did I know I was a natural prodigy on a tiny boat alone in the sea of vocabulary. Eventually I turned the tide to master what I'd catch, and soon I'd have a net to fetch at once a batch of raps.
Talking about a place called hip-hop. Now what about that place called hip-hop? I never seen you in that place called hip-hop, so the lies that you speak need to stop. Talking about a place called hip-hop. Now what about that place called hip-hop? I never seen you in that place called hip-hop, so the lies that you speak need to stop.
Now cool water colloquialisms splash the face of opponents like acid, corrosive to body components. In zones where microphones are the nucleus and ghetto kids seek for the radius to be true MCs. These sights are highly delectable upon the pupils firsthand. I seen that in a land called Pomona. Yet many claim the same origin, that trapped in virgin ears can't hear the phonographic images we speak of. The streets are paved with beats in their airs and kicks and snares. Reality is formality and the rules for living here. But if you're versatile, you're fertile, therefore you music producers. And it's not about the money you collect, but about respecting human circles are signs of rhymes. There's no clocks here, but I guarantee you ask anybody, they'll know the time to enter. Dues must be paid in full, that's the fee. And now that hip-hop has found Jesus, it's a better place to be.